In this video, we're going to show you how to install the taillight on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the rear of the vehicle. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove the 2 screws. That is going to release this little flap right here. I'm going to reach around the side here, grab the leading edge of the taillight and right here, and just wiggle this out. Ours is stuck in pretty good here, but there's a metal stud that goes into a plastic socket on the body itself. We're just trying to release that. Once that pops off, I'm going to come over here to our connector, and there's a red lock tab. I'm going to push that up using our pocket screwdriver. Usually it's a lot further down. But once that red lock tab is pushed all the way up, you want to press on this tab and disconnect the electrical connector. Might be able to use your pocket screwdriver when you press on this tab to go ahead and work that off. There we go. Separate the connector. Take the new taillight, flip it over. And right here, if your taillight has these pieces of tape here, you want to go ahead and remove these. These are just protective covers for the taillight bulb ports. At this point here, we want to go ahead and remove the 3 sockets and bulbs from the old taillight. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a pair of pliers, and we're going to grab one of the taillight bulbs here. I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, untwist, and wiggle that out. Go ahead and install this into the new taillight. Now when installing the socket, there are 2 metal tabs on one side and a single tab on the other. You want to make sure when installing this that it lines up with the tabs on the taillight. Go ahead and lower that down. Push that in position. Grab your pliers and twist it clockwise. And this will line up right in line with the other ones. We're going to repeat this process for the other 2 bulbs. Install your taillight. Grab the connector. Line that up, push it all the way down. And once it's fully seated and clipped in, you want to push down on your red lock tab. You'll see that the red tab comes out on the bottom side. You'll know that it's locked into place. On the forward side, there is the ball stud that goes into the socket into the body. Line that up. Line up your taillight. And you want to gently push the taillight forward and into the body. You'll feel it and hear it pop into place. Let's install our 2 screws. I'm just going to get that screw started. I'm not going to secure it yet. Get the bottom screw started. Once we have bolted these in, we'll go ahead and tighten them down. Snug that down. At this point here, if you have to replace any bulbs or the taillight on the passenger side, once you have your taillight secured, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.